Let's open up a $30 pack of Pokemon cards and see if we get more or less in value. And just so you guys know, the most expensive card in this set is the Silver Dialga, which is worth $150 raw. All right, my hands are kind of sweating, but we're going to get the code card out. And we have the code card there. I'm going to throw it to the side. I'm not even going to look at it. We're going to go just 3 from the back because this is the X and Y era. And let's see how we do here. So we're going to start off with our non-holos. We're going through here. We got a Gengar Spirit Link. That artwork is actually pretty sick, dude. If we could use that Spirit Link and summon a almost said Charizard, a Gengar, that would be amazing. We got a Fletchling. Oh, we're going through here. Can we get $30 or more out of this? I don't know. Murkrow. The last card is going to be the best pull here. We have a Whismur. We have a Versus Secret Reverse. That's actually pretty solid, but we're going to go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a Mega Manectric EX pull. I'll take it. Wait a second. That's a secret rare. I didn't even realize that. That is one of the best cards in the entire set.